This video is a step-by-step guide on how to use the Grammarly app. So basically, Grammarly is this site that helps you write your text mistake-free, clear, and engaging content across your devices. So right here, we are actually in. So I have a few projects here, and if you press your projects or designs, you can actually see your mistakes or correctness that Grammarly will provide. It will also give you this overall score of their seeings of this text. So I got an overall 86 score, so I think I did not use a lot more comprehensive words for this. So back here, you just need to add a new document if you want to check in with your, text. If you want them to and actually here we have some Grammarly apps that you can install. You can install it via Windows, via Chrome, via iPhone and iPad, and via Android. And lastly, we have Pro version, which is right here. I have this offer that I can only get it for free. It's because of the trial. And yes. So the Pro version is $12. And I think that is all for Grammarly.